Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to turn off autoplay next video in YouTube. If videos keep playing automatically after one ends, this setting will help you stop it and give you full control. So let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon. Then tap on the settings icon at the top right. Scroll down and tap on playback. Here, find the option called Autoplay Next Video. Turn this option off. Once you disable this, YouTube will stop playing the next video automatically after one finishes. This is useful if you want to save data or avoid unwanted videos playing in the background. Now you will have to manually select the next video you want to watch. So this is how you can turn off Autoplay Next Video on YouTube. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.